little bit more braiding there. Space it out, hit a little higher. Okay, we got most of it. Now we can come back in here. Need to turn that edge a little bit. Just with some short, steep flakes here. Got to run an in-thinning flake up here. That should straighten out a lot of that. When I do that, I'll support the end here, but I want to make sure my finger's well underneath it. Okay. And that got rid of a lot of that mass in there. Of course, you have to be kind of careful when you're working on the ends here that you don't get end shock. Just trying to turn that edge, get rid of that little thick spot right there. Being kind of stubborn there. There we go. Take some off in here. Now I just want to work on getting a little, it's getting there pretty well. I want to get a little bit better pattern over here and try and shape it at the same time. This could actually be pressure flaked at this point. Small little billet is a whole lot faster than pressure flaking. Have to be careful on these ends. The antler can kind of tend to shock it, so. Okay, now we'll drive some off in here. Space that out enough. Didn't braid it enough. Okay, now we'll get some nice long thinning flakes. Now we'll come back over here, run some back in the opposite direction. Just hitting down, striking high on the platform. A little bit too low. Just shearing it with a rock like that, removing real small flakes, pressure flakes really, since it's kind of a shearing process, just to adjust that platform. You do a lot of that when you're working with these Aboriginal tools like this. Okay, it's coming along. Now we need to remove a few. We still got that big indentation there from earlier on. We'll take some off over on this face, so we'll shear that back just a little bit. Continuous platform. Start removing flakes off the end, off the base end. And each one creates a ridge for the next one. Okay, space it out. There we go. I let that in get too thin on me there, or thick on me, and I'm going to break it if I try and do it with percussion, so we'll just pressure it off. Kind of like that. Okay. I had a little thick spot there again. You just got to get that out of the way. Okay. Okay. thick spot right there. There we go. Couple pressure flakes up here and call it good enough. I think we'll take one basal thinning flake here. Kind of a small flute, just to get that central portion there thinned out a little bit more. Okay, so here's our point so far, and we're going to take off kind of a little flute flake here, just for the hell of it. Okay, there's that. Almost call it a Clovis, I guess. Maybe we'll do the same thing over here just for the hell of it. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what the small billet can do, and we can go ahead and pressure flake this and finish it, or we could actually use it just like it is. That's it.